Hey, what's going on, guys? Jeff from Tech, and if you follow me on Twitter, you probably noticed that I've been posting stuff about starting a new series called Top 5 Desk Setups. And so I'm asking you guys who haven't seen it, if you want to submit a desk setup, and the winner, they'll get a shout on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. So, and there's a winner every episode. Then I'm going to choose a couple winners at the end of the year. I'm going to make all the people who won into one video. And if this series is successful, I'll do that. So, if you're interested in doing this, I want a picture of your front desk, the bottom of your desk, so you can see your cable management. I want to see a picture of every peripheral if you want to, or the most important or high-end peripherals or any other objects on your desk. Then I'm also going to want pictures of your PC with the side panel on or off. Either one's fine. List your specs. List everything that's in there. Then also take a picture from an angle with your chair showing so I can see your setup with your chair. So if you want to submit one, just go ahead and go down in the description below. I'll have my email down there so you can submit by sending me the pictures. Remember, list the specs of everything. Well, I mean, I don't expect a whole bunch of specs. Just tell me what monitors you have. And then the PCs are really the only thing I expect every single spec that you have in there about. So, that's pretty much it for you guys. I hope you're going to like this new series, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.